I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
Kevin and I started the day by turning on the tube to watch a little bit of baseball. The Toronto team is doing really well this year. The whole country is kind of getting excited.
Let's get the TV, take it down to the bar. Okay, did you bring the telescope?
Telescope. Look around, man. Just sit close.
The old radiation mobile here.
I love baseball. Never play anymore.
You ever played even when you played? Go to the Pines, did you? TV is a bit chumpy.
Unfortunately, the only TV we have in the house is about yay big, but it's not cutting it.
The house has really become a magnet for our friends and neighbors, but we can't possibly entertain with this kind of setup.
Everybody now has a big screen. We've got a TV this big.
You can't see anything. You can't even see the ball.
What does UHF mean?
It's actually ultra high frequency, which is like archaic.
Maybe some rabbit ears would help this situation.
You got preferred parking, do you? That's the president's parking spot. You're out back.
Usually the old melon is 8 inches from the front. My cell phone rang, it's Andrew. Initial idea was sports lounge. Obviously way over the top aggressive as usual, but general concept is amazing.
I don't see a television in there.
Oh, you see a television.
Holy cow, it's never big. He went to the store, picked us out a nice one. It's giant.
This is 4K Ultra HD. It's 65 inch and it was not going in there in the box, so
We'll trade you for our other one.
sure. Your 8-inch black and white. The television and the audio visual has to be focused on really good qualities for watching sporting events. We should figure out some protection for it as well, because we're going to smash it with
Kevin's Aaron throws.
yes, 57.5 inches right from here to here. That's the width of the TV. And then it can go 80 degrees and it can go 18 up and down.
Cool.
I would say this TV is nicer than most sports bars.
This thing is going to be awesome. I can get started on just mounting where the arm's going to go.
It kind of tweaked the budget a little bit, but who cares?
They're going to love it, except when the bill comes in. Who's paying my Visa bill for that TV, too, by the way?
Dr. Kevin. Let's go get that scaffolding.
Yeah, right.
Walker's going to mount it on the wall. Vern's going to give a hand.
So that would be center of television right there. I think that's pretty good, actually. I need a hand mounting the television, so timing was perfect for Vern. Hang the TV, get all the wires run Ethernet, run cables through the wall. I'm glad they put me on this part of the project because I really do enjoy TVs and stereos and music equipment and stuff like that. It's dear to my heart.
We built this custom design tray underneath the TV. It's going to hold our remotes and all the other gadgets. We've got a fairly large screen, but I think we're going to need more than a big screen to get the crowds in.
Fingertip pullout.
That's
Very
great.
cool. Bad, eh?
They're so light now, eh?
It feels light now that it's up on the stand.
What are we going to do with our other TV?
You could probably sell that for so much money.
Make some profit.
Take it to a museum. I can see people getting into it and cheering, and a nice setup will attract people. Maybe we'll be able to get a few people over.
So you could pair it wirelessly, or you could do it this way or whatever. Does that look familiar?
Looks familiar.
Who are these two jokers? The boys didn't have any influence on buying it, and they don't have a clue how to run this thing. They might be able to turn it on, they might not. You want to watch yourself, or do you want to help with stadium seating?
Just like mesmerized by this awesome TV programming.
We're just working on a nice trim cover for the television so that if an errant ball or slap shot hits the television, it won't break it. Hey, Verno, what's going on? Welcome back. This looks awesome.
You know what? I bet you that would take more or less a ball.
Just get better at throwing the ball.